Oakworth! This is Oakworth!
Well, I'd like to welcome you all to Oakworth. We'll stay together, no matter what.
Honey, just look at their little faces. I was brought here from London when I was a little girl, and it was a big change.
Look at all the stars you can see. Let's play a game. Hide and seek.
Coming! Ready or not?
Hello? Germans! Someone in the hideout. Soldier or spy.
He's in there.
Stay back.
Are you German?
No, I'm on your side. I'm Abe. I can't talk about it, but I'm on a secret mission. If you tell anyone, you're putting me and yourselves in danger.
What if the catch is hiding him?
We can't give him up.
There's soldiers everywhere.
They might find you.
I've got an idea, but we need everyone. Come on!
We want your help.
It's classified information. It's more than my life's worth.
What are they doing?
Bobbie should know. You think Phyllis wasn't forever telling me about your childhood antics?
Not antics, action.
We need to go. It's now or never.
You've got to be joking.
You want to get on that train, don't you?
Go, go, go!
This is as fast as it goes. It's a tractor. Now.
You can make a difference. There's always hope.
Friends are special. They're with us, side by side.